Namaskar, Khush Bitiyao. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Session name Arrangement of Motif. Subject name Surface Ornamentation. We design first semester. Importance of arrangement of motif. Arrangement create the illusion in design. When motif is arranged in different manner, it is called pattern of motif placement and repetition. Different type of pattern arranged for motif placement. Sometimes they are repeat and sometimes single motif placed on design. Before discussion of type of motif arrangement, we need to discuss about the arrangement. When we are using the single motif and we are apply on the surface of fabric, paper and garment, we are apply in central part is called central motif, in border part is border motif, in all over motif, in one direction one way motif, in two direction two way motif. This is the simplest example. We design students want to know and need to understand the design arrangements and the motif arrangements. Now we will discuss the motif placement and pattern. Block repeat. The block repeat is the simplest way of repeat. It is simply formed by the stucking the original repeat in basic grid. The block repeat can have amateur look if used in wrong situation, but it can look great with simpler, more geometrical motif. This is the block pattern. Brick and half brick repeat. Next up we have the brick and half brick repeat. You will notice that the motif are arranged like brick on a house. They are horizontal row and then the next row is offset to create a staggered look. The term is half brick and brick can be used to interchangeably unless the offset of the later row is not exactly half of the preceding row. Motifs, in that case you would just use brick hairs. Simple example of half brick repeat is brick and half brick repeat are used very often in fabric design. The motifs can be exclusive of each other or have some overlap when they are organized, and overlap can achieved in Photoshop or Illustrator. This is the half brick pattern. Drop and half drop pattern. It is similar like half brick. The drop of half drop repeat is very similar to the brick and half brick, but the motifs are offset vertically instead of horizontally. As with the brick and half brick, the term drop and half drop can be used interchangeably unless the offset is not 50% of original motif. You will most often see 50% offset, but smaller or larger ones uncertainty are unheard of. Drop and half drop repeat are another very common type of repeat in fabric and surface design. This is the half drop. Diamond repeat. The diamond repeat is also used quite frequently in fabric and surface design. It is exactly as it is sound a repeat of diamond shape. This motif can be simple as one diamond put into half drop or half brick repeat, or each diamond can be combination of smaller motif as shown here. This is the diamond repeat. Augie repeat. The augie repeat is similar to the diamond repeat in shape, but the augie is more rounded on two sides with the other two sides coming to points. As with the diamond repeat, it can be simple repeat of augie shape in half drop and half brick arrangement, or it can be more complex with the overlap and the combination of smaller motifs. Here is very simple version of an augie repeat, half brick with the overlap. This is very interesting design of augie repeat. Toss and random repeat. The toss and random repeat utilize the random arrangement of various motifs, create a very organic non-linear design. It is very popular for the floral pattern, and more element of the design are tossed onto the fabric like so. This is the free pattern of the tossed design. Stripe repeat. The next few repeats are usually listed in the discussion of repeat type, but I want to give you a sort of mental checklist to go throughout when you are brainstorming different type of pattern you might want to incorporate into the collection. Yes, I want to incorporate in my collection because we need to know about the patterns. The stripe repeat is simple idea that can have a more complex and interesting. It could be a simple stripe in single color or palette, but it can also be a single motif that creates stripes for totally different look as shown here. This is the simple stripe. Dot repeat. Similar in its simplicity to the stripe repeat, the dot repeat is as its sound an arrangement of dots, but dots do not have to be dots. They can be other small motifs arranged with a bit of space between them to emulate dots like this. This is the dot repeat. Plaid and check plates really are just a variation of stripe repeat. Plaid, checks and gingham repeat can be used to beef up a collection and provide variety of your design. Here is very simple example of a plaid and check pattern. This is the plaid and check pattern. Combination repeat. This is the last when we are using the two type of pattern to design the pattern is called combination repeat. A quick per usual of the any fabric manufacturer's portfolio will show you that pattern types are often not so clean cut. Most pattern designer use combination of two or more repeat types shown above to create single design, or they might layer or toss layout over a plaid or a more interesting and complex look. I encourage you to play around with all the repeats and create your own combination. Thank you so much. These are the patterns and the placements of the design of the motifs, and based on these motifs new design and illusion is created. These arrangements are very important in the motif design. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you understand this session. Thank you so much.